Okay, the next type of problem. With this problem, they're going to either say something about simplify or look for an equivalent statement. They're talking about the same thing. And what you're going to do, you're going to multiply this top and bottom by the conjugate. The conjugate of the denominator. And this is 13 minus 5i. You're going to multiply by 13 plus 5i. That's the conjugate. And you're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator. Let's work this out together. 13 times 13 here is 169. Okay, and here we have 13 times 5i is, uh-oh, my pen is gone again, plus 65i, and then 5i times 13 is minus 65i, and then minus 25i squared. We'll clean all this up in a minute. In my numerator, we have a lot. We got 13 times negative 6, which is negative 78. Negative 6 times 5i is minus 30i. And then 10 times 13 is plus 130i. I have disappearing numbers. And then 10i plus 5i times 5i is plus 50i squared. Let's clean it up. These two cancel. Then we're going to have in the denominator, I have 169, and that's minus 25i squared. Remember, I squared is negative 1. So that's negative 1 times the negative 1, which is positive. So this is really plus 25 in the denominator. The numerator, let's see, this is negative 1. 50 times negative 1, that's negative 50. So then you have negative 78 minus 50, which will be negative 128. And then if you combine negative 30i plus 130i, that'll give you 100i. Okay, can't do anything else with the numerator. Your denominator, you can add those and you get 194, and I'll write it over here. So it's negative 128 plus 100i over 194. It can be written like this, or depends on how they're giving you the answer. Negative 128 over 194 plus 100i over 194, and this can be reduced. If you would put this in your calculator, divide both of those by 2, you're going to get negative 64 over, my pen is acting up again, 97 plus, and both of these you can divide by 2 as well, 50i over 97. So this would be your final answer in A plus BI form. Okay, I think this will conclude our review for the final exam. Make sure you go back, look over all the material for each unit, but this will help you kind of pinpoint. And if there are any problem types that you would like for me to go over, maybe create another video and send it to you of any concept that you really just didn't get, it doesn't matter. I may already have a video that I've already created and I can send it to you, or I can just create one. So again, just make sure you study for this final exam. The final exam will replace a low test grade, and I really want you to do well in this course. So again, if you have any questions, if you need any help, please let me know.